Starting around 15 August 2023, HEX explicitly is exchanging at $0.006 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in truly most recent 1 hour, in an extremely huge manner. HEX really has a for the most part all-out market cap of $981,221,892, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $943,517, or so they truly thought. This by and large makes HEX positioning at 206 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX sort of be certainly worth in 2023? Which sort of is very critical. Is HEX a kind of wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023? Kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Will HEX cost in a real sense outperform its unequaled high in an unpretentious manner? These for the most part are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in a significant manner. HEX value expectation 2023. As per the HEX estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost in a real sense is supposed to truly cross an especially normal value level of $0.007, the normal genuinely least value worth of HEX, toward the finish of the fundamentally current year, ought to especially be $0.007, which truly is genuinely critical. Besides, HEX can in every practical sense arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $0.007, which generally is very critical. HEX value estimate August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of HEX generally is especially anticipated to arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.006 and an especially least of $0.005, which is genuinely huge. HEX value conjecture September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of HEX for the most part is basically anticipated to truly arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.006, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $0.006 and a kind of least of $0.006 in an unobtrusive manner. HEX value expectation October 2023. The cost for HEX in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.006 and $0.007, which truly is very huge. While the typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.006 in a significant manner, HEX value gauge November 2023. The exceptionally normal cost of HEX could essentially go to $0.007 toward the finish of November 2023 in an unpretentious manner. HEX could fundamentally be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.007, with the really least expected cost of $0.006 in an unobtrusive manner. HEX value conjecture December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may generally arrive at an especially least worth of $0.007, while the exceptionally greatest determined cost certainly is around $0.007 in a kind of significant manner. The truly normal cost for HEX basically is explicitly anticipated to reach $0.007 in December 2023, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. HEX truly passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto certainly has been diminished by 4.89% in its certainly current worth, sort of additional appearance. How HEX kind of passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto fundamentally has been generally diminished by 4.89% in its ongoing worth in an extremely significant manner. On the off chance that we generally look at the ongoing business sector cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap truly is likewise down, showing the way that besides HEX can, for the most part, arrive at a greatest value level of $0.007 in an in every practical sense enormous way. HEX in a real sense is confronting a genuinely tough time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, which for the most part is very huge. The HEX in every practical sense is down to nearly 39.39% in the especially most recent 7 days, which especially is very critical. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for exceptionally past sort of couple of days. The coin could by and large have areas of strength for truly at the same time We don't explicitly believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of HEX sort of diminished by 92.698%, dispensing with an astounding extremely normal amount of $0.072 from its in every practical sense current worth, exhibiting how wild a truly normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.006 in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be an especially decent, especially purchase a potential open door for pretty speedy venture. So HEX could generally be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $0.007, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.006, or so they especially thought. The 90 days cost change basically is near 77.60%, and the cost essentially flowed from an especially least in every practical sense normal cost of $0.024 to genuinely most extreme normal cost of $0.027 in the kind of beyond 90 days, which truly is genuinely critical. HEX sort of is somewhere near 69.20%, with the very greatest truly normal cost of the coin certainly was around $0.023, and the especially least beautiful typical cost of generally was around $0.021 in truly beyond 4 months, exhibiting that HEX past value examination in the precise beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been diminished by 4.89% in its especially current worth. Further appearance how HEX sort of past value investigation in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto generally has been truly diminished by 4.89% in its in every practical sense current worth. HEX value estimate 2023 facts. What will be HEX really worth in 2023? The HEX cost really is determined to arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0.007, with certainly least cost of $0.007 toward the finish of 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. HEXs generally have a future, which really is very critical. As far as cost, HEX for the most part has a remarkable in every practical sense potential to sort of arrive at new levels. It in every practical sense is estimate that HEX will increment in esteem, exhibiting that HEX value figure December 2023. The HEX cost for December 2023 may arrive at a truly least worth of $0.007, while the for the most part greatest determined cost basically is around $0.007, or so they certainly thought. As indicated by truly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, HEX can generally raise a ruckus around town, the greatest cost of $0.038 till 2030, which by and large is genuinely huge. Is HEX